Did you know that there are 5 generations working in the workforce today? We have traditionalists, baby boomers, Gen X, millennials, Gen Z, and soon Gen Alpha will be on their way. And when you think about the workplace and the need to make it inclusive across all dimensions of diversity, age is an important factor that we often don't link to diversity. That's because we're often shaped by our coming of age experiences, the experiences we had while our brain was getting fully developed before age 25, for example. That's why we come to the workplace with different expectations, different beliefs, different values based on the lived experiences that we have had as young people often. That's when our values and beliefs are very well cemented based on our lived experiences, world events, and things that are happening in our personal and professional lives. That's why we created a workshop about leading across generations, thinking about your coming of age experiences and how that shapes your worldviews and aspects like diversity and inclusion. We talk about the importance of flexing your style so that you can best meet the needs of your generation and other generations in the workplace, as well as tangible tools and strategies that you can do to lead across a multi-generational workforce, that you can be an inclusive leader and get the most from your top talent and align on core values that are non-negotiables for our work team based on everyone's unique and different lived experiences and values. I hope you'll join us to learn more at nextpivotpoint.com.